Here's problem 6 from your Algebra Review Homework. It's got a nasty fraction in it, and maybe you want to multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of it, but take a look. If we just distribute this through, our fraction will disappear. And the reason why is because 3 goes into both 24 and 66. So just multiply it out. 1/3 of 24x, that's the same thing as 24 divided by 3 is 8x, minus, and then 1/3 of 22, or 66 is 22, equals 3x plus 43. So I just subtract the 3x over here and I get 5x. Add the 22 over, and let's see, I would have 65 divided by 5x equals 13. Easy. Now let's look at example 9. It's a system of equations, and you take a look at it. Maybe you want to do it by elimination, but you don't have to. This one you can do pretty easily by substitution. Do it by substitution. If we just take this over to that side and we have y by itself, it'd be y equals 9 minus 0.5x. I can take that, substitute it in for y into the second equation. So 1.6 plus 0.2 times 9 minus 0.5x, it's from the first equation, equals 13. Do a little, oops, I forgot an x here. Do a little distributive property here, so 1.6x plus 1.8 minus 0.01, thinking? No, just 0.1x equals 13. And we can combine our like terms. I get 1.5x, and then subtract this over, equals 11.2, and just divide it. I get x equals 11.2 divided by 1.5. That doesn't go in there evenly, so let's see if we can pull up a calculator here. There we go. Move it over into the screen, and we have 11.2 divided by 1.5. It's about 7.5 maybe. Okay, now when I go to substitute that back in so I can find out what y is equal to, don't use this approximated value. You have to use that whole number before it was approximated. So here's my x value. Let's substitute that back in up here and get my y value. So y is equal to 9 minus 0.5 times 7.5. Again, it's the actual version of this number, not 7.5. Don't use the rounded one. Let me pull that calculator back up again. Let's store that. If you have one of these on your computer, you can just hit like M+, it'll store it into the memory and clear it out. Okay, and then just type it like you see it, 9 minus 0.5 times, and then whatever was in the memory, which is MR, memory recall. Hit enter, and we get about 5.3. It's about 5.3. Write our final answer as x value is 7.5, comma 5.3, and that's approximate because those decimals keep on going.